Ever watched sheep balancing on mountain ledges? Their skills are incredible. Sheep are far more agile than they appear, and their ability to navigate narrow mountain ledges is nothing short of amazing. With hooves designed for grip and balance, they can climb steep, rocky terrains that would challenge even the most experienced hikers. Watching a flock of sheep carefully stepping along a jagged cliffside is both nerve-wracking and awe-inspiring. These remarkable skills are not just for show. They're a crucial adaptation for avoiding predators and reaching nutritious vegetation in hard-to-access places. It's a breathtaking display of nature's ingenuity at work.